What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage. Yes, I am on antibiotics and medication, and yes, my face is still swollen, and no, I'm not letting it slow me down in creating new video content for here on YouTube. I have been resting. I actually passed out almost all of today, and today I'm going to bring you something. As you could see from the opening, don't you just hate it when your tailgate flops down? Yes, if you buy higher end trucks, they usually have tailgate assist or leveling, whatever they're called, kits. But guess what? I got the basic truck. It didn't come with it. So today I'm adding a tailgate assist. Let's get right on into the overview of the product and install it on the truck. So I've opened the product. Comes with your piston, comes with a nut cert, comes with a couple other fittings and parts. This comes in the package, and it looks like it comes with some sort of oil or glue or something. It does say you're going to need a tape measure, a 5mm Allen, a 13 socket wrench, and a 10mm ratchet. So those are the tools we need according to the instructions. Now we'll go ahead and start putting this thing together and assembling it. Okay, so the first thing on the instructions, they specifically call out that your nut cert setup needs to be 3/4 of an inch from this washer to the head of the bolt. So I'm a little bit off. Let's see here, a little bit more. That's probably gonna be good enough. No. Perfect. 3/4 of an inch. Good? Yeah, good. So that's done. So your nut cert is going right here into the tailgate. So we're basically putting that into the hole, just like that. And we're starting the turns. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so for this install, you're going to put your Allen into... I actually wonder if I can just ratchet this. I'll probably have to do it by wrench. But you put your Allen in, then you take your 10mm, and you're actually going to turn the nut. Okay, once it's all the way tightened with the nut cert tool, you pull the bolt out and you're good to go. You have the nut insert. And now we're going to install the piston cap, or whatever they call this, with a 13mm. You will need a deep socket unless your 13mm is deep enough to let this head sit in there. There we go. Next item we have to do is we have to remove the T45 that's holding the gate strap on. Now keep in mind, this has been painted over, so you might have to chip the paint or anything to get the tool in. I'm using an actual Milwaukee tool. By hand, this would probably be a little difficult, but it's a lot easier just doing that. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull this bolt out, and literally you're going to take this new backing plate that it comes with, and you're going to put that back. Tighten it up just like that. Now we have to undo this bolt because we need to take off the limiter that's on here. And what we'll do is we'll pull this bolt out, and then we'll see how hard the limiter is on there. I think it's screwed onto the bolt, so I might need to get a pair of pliers or something to hold it while we twist it off. I don't know. We'll see how hard it is. This is hard to do one-handed. So here you go. There's the limiter. Let's see if it will let us thread up that way. It does have a lock washer, so it makes it a little difficult. I need something I can pull that away. Yep, I'm gonna go get a flathead screwdriver. Okay. Just getting underneath. Almost. That worked. So get the limiter off of there. Looks like there's a lock washer on there as well. And then we're putting this back on the way it was. So just putting it back in there. And I need to line that up. A little brute force, sorry, one-handed, makes things a little more difficult, but that's in there. Now it's time to install the cable clip. They're very adamant that this must go on 3.5 inches down. If not, the cable can get caught. Here's 3.5 inches. They say use a pair of pliers. Probably going to have to. I didn't grab a big enough pair right here. Oh, there we go. That works. That was easy. Now, one of the last steps, I did provide a Mylar sheet. I just stuck that there, but there's 2 areas that could potentially rub components here and along this front edge right in here. The Mylar sheet's there so you don't scratch your paint. Use it at your own will or figure out exactly where you want it. I'm gonna go get a pair of scissors and cut this and put a little piece here and then put that there. Now we're at the final step. I'm gonna connect the piston, and what I'll end up doing is I'm actually gonna, it doesn't really tell you what to do here, but I think basically okay, clip the piston on. No more slamming of the tailgate. So, pretty inexpensive project. We'll see how long it works, see if it breaks, see how long this piston holds up. I'll report back. There you have it. That's the Dee Zee tailgate support. Put a link down below in the description if you guys are interested in checking it out. But as always, thanks for checking out this video. Stay tuned for lots more guides and overviews for the Dodge truck, my Camaro, and all sorts of other things. Also, if you guys didn't know, Lethal Garage is now a thing. If you guys need help installs, need help with anything on your truck, Lethal Garage down here in Temecula, California, we can help you install stuff at a small fee. So hit me up if you guys have any questions. It's just lots of fun and do things for people for a heck of a lot cheaper than other shops charge. So thanks for checking out the video. Likes, comments, shares appreciated. And until next time, hope to see you on the road.